Hello everyone, I'm Annie and I bring you the latest news from China every day. On this Wednesday, China issued a major announcement regarding national debit. Currently, the impact of the increased national debit on the stock market remains unclear. So, what could this mean for other assets? Following yesterday's explanation for the significance of the central government's decision to increase national debit, today we delve into the historical data to understand how increasing national debit supply affects bond yields. By looking back in history, we can categorize the central government's fiscal tools into two main types. First, fiscal budget adjustments directly adjust the annual fiscal budget to create room for issuing additional debit. This is the fourth time in history that such a budget adjustment has occurred. Second, special national debit is issued for specific purposes and does not contribute to fiscal deficits. It serves particular objectives and can have various issuance methods. Throughout China's history, there have been 3 instances of issuing new special national debit and 2 instances of issuing continuous special national debit. They were employed for purposes like stimulating the economy and addressing liquidity surpluses. This time, the budget adjustment differs significantly. The timing of the announcement, which occurred at the end of October, means there will be a longer process for fund collection and utilization. Thus, the impact on the economy within the year may be relatively limited. Additionally, a robust economic growth rate during the third quarter, combined with a lower economic base in the fourth quarter of the previous year, makes achieving the annual economic growth target relatively easy. As a result, the necessity for implementing growth stabilizing policies is limited. Now that we've discussed the significance of the central government's increased national debt and budget adjustment, we'll talk about the actual impact. Looking at the historical data, national bond yield shows varying degrees of increase when new national debt is issued. Like in 2007, the new special national debt issuance caused bond yields to rise across different tenures. The one-year bond yield showed the most significant increase, rising by over 100 basis points, while the 10-year bond yield increased by around 20 basis points. Secondly, in 2017, the continuous special national debt issuance resulted in relatively smaller changes in bond yields, with most showing minor increases. And the last time in 2020, the special national debt issued in response to the pandemic consisted of 4 tranches and 16 issuances. It began in mid-June and completed at the end of July. During the issuance period and subsequent months, bond yields for various tenures experienced noticeable increases. So it is hoped that this provided a comprehensive understanding of the historical impact of increased national debt on bond yield. So that's all for today and see you tomorrow. Bye!